Hi, I'm Sharnice.
And I'm Byron.
And we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors.
Listen, we teach you the overlooked form of real estate, mobile home investing.
Yes, we teach you everything you need to know on how to become a successful mobile home investor. We teach you how to flip mobile homes for cash profit. If you're looking to learn how to create that passive income, we teach you how to seller finance mobile homes. And also, if you have little to no capital to get started, we teach you how to wholesale mobile homes as well for cash profit.
You're curious to learn how you can be a student of the Mobile Home Elite Institute? Well, here's a few things that we offer. We have our elite private Facebook community. We also have our Elite e-course, which teaches you how to become a successful mobile home investor. And if you need that hands-on training, we have our Elite Fast Track program, which is that hands-on coaching that will help you to have success in this business.
So make sure you hit that subscribe button to check out all of our upcoming videos and trainings. And if you love what you've seen, make sure you hit that like and share button.
Yes, everything we talked about, click the link below. So if you're interested in any of the programs, enjoy the channel and listen. You are the next mobile home investor.